Hi friends, it's me, Speedie DiDi. Today, we're gonna learn about dinosaurs with this amazing dinosaur puzzle. Let's open it up. We have so many pieces. First, we gotta turn them over. Look at this. This is a little butt. Okay, I think what we should do is sort them by color first. Let's get all the pieces that are blue. Ooh, look at this eye. Hello. We'll take all the blue pieces and put them to the side. Will you help me? Come. Okay. This is blue? No. This is blue? No. This one. Yes, let's take this and put it right here. Let's see. This foot? No. This is yellow and orange. That's not blue. No, thank you. This one? There's a little bit of blue here. We can take it. It looks like there's some blue right here. We'll take this one too. Let's see what we can make out of our blue pieces. Look, this piece looks like it should go with this piece. Let's try it. We got it! Yay! Okay, let's see what else we can make. This looks like these should go right here. Whoop! And whoa! Can you recognize who this is yet? Let's think. This dinosaur has 1, 2, and 3 horns. This dinosaur also has this beautiful frill. I think this must be triceratops. We almost forgot his feet. How is he gonna walk without his feet? Let's put them down.
Wait, got it? And the second one.
That's triceratops. Can we find triceratops in our dinosaurs? Let's have a look. Does this dinosaur have 3 horns? No, that's not triceratops. What about this dinosaur? It has a long neck. Triceratops doesn't have a long neck. That's not triceratops. Let's see who else we have. Who is this? Let's take him. Hello, sir. Hello, friends. Who do you think I am? I have 3 horns. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I know who it is. I must be Triceratops. Yeah! It is Triceratops. Hello, everybody. Triceratops is here. Look, does he look like this puzzle? Tom. I think these are the same dinosaurs. Good job, everybody. High five, high five, high five. Now, we still have some puzzle pieces over here. Let's see who else we can find. We have a green bat. Hello, bat. Hello. And we need to find another green piece. No. Here! This is green. It looks like a green head and a green bum. Let's try to put them together. Oh, they fit! Oh, they fit, everybody! And who is this dinosaur? He looks like he has a very long neck.
This must be Brachiosaurus! Oh, I think so.
Hey, do you think we have another Brachiosaurus over here? Is this Brachiosaurus? He doesn't have a long neck. Is this Brachiosaurus? He has a short little neck. This was Triceratops. Oh, look! Who is this? This dinosaur has a long neck. Hello, what is your name, dinosaur?
Hello! My name is Brachiosaurus, Didi. You were right. I have a very long neck, and I am very proud of it.
Oh, I really like your long neck too, Brachiosaurus. Will you help me build and help my friends build this last puzzle? We have a few pieces left.
I think I can help you.
Thank you, Brachiosaurus. So strong, Brachiosaurus. And this little dinosaur looks so silly. He's like this. Right? Can you do that? Just like this dinosaur. Okay, the head should go on top. Whoa. And we have one little piece which looks like the rest of the tail. Whoa! Who is this scary dinosaur? Look at his teeth. Hello, dinosaur. What is your name? I don't understand. What does that mean? Did you understand him? What does mean? Excuse me, sir. What did you say? That sounded really silly. Can you say that? I don't understand what he means. Excuse me, dinosaur. Please tell us your name. Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex for short. T-Rex. Now we understand him. Hey, T-Rex, is this you in our puzzle? Oh, Didi, let's have a looky. Num, 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 num. Oh, let's see. This dinosaur has short arms just like me. And he has sharp teeth just like me. Everybody, we guessed right. This was T-Rex. Wow, everyone, we did really well. We got one T-Rex. Dum da da dum. We have 1 Brachiosaurus. Dum-da-da-dum. And we have 1 triceratops. Dum-da-da-dum. Everyone, we did so well. So now it's time to destroy these puzzles with the dinosaurs. Ooh-ah! Ooh-ah! Boom, 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 boom. Dinosaur fight. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, Brachiosaurus down. Let's keep fighting. Oh, 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 oh. Bah, 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 bah. Down, down. Everybody down. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this episode, because I will see you and these dinosaurs will see you very soon. Bye-bye. That's me.